In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in split screen view and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up. Or all the way down and click on Home button. You can also swipe both of them in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!